cardboard boxes took us by from while we were missed. Schoolyard conversation taken to heart. Laughter took the place of everything new and loved. I wanna break every clock. Hands of time will never move again. We could stay in this moment for the rest of our life. Is it over